Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use SEMrush keyword magic tool in 2024. So I'll walk you basically through on how to use this tool because the keyword magic tool in SEMrush is very important. This tool, of course, will give you new keyword opportunities. It will let you, as an example, optimize your content and improve your site's SEO performance. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just new, this video is for you, so let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to this URL section and here just type semrush.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, you will be taken to this page in here. And here you can go to the top right corner, click on login to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, click on sign up instead. Of course, you'll be able to use a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. So if you don't have this tab of SEO opened, make sure to go and open it up because this is where we'll find our magic tool. So in here, if we go scroll down, we'll find here keyword research. And you will find keyword magic tool. If somehow it does not show in here for you, you can just go and type Control F and type magic tool. Of course, make sure like this SEO is opened and this option will find it for you. As you can see, it will be highlighted. Then go and click on it. And as you can see, this should take you to this page. Here, you'll be able to start using this magic tool. And this magic tool is very helpful. So let's just show you what's helpful for. What is helpful for, of course. Let's just go and start. First of all, go to this keyword overview here in this list panel again. And here, basically, this will give you like some overview about the keyword that you will enter. So as an example here, I'll just go and type recipe and click on search. Of course, let me just go back in here. You'll be able, no, I don't want, that's an example. But of course, I guess I cannot bypass that. Okay, I'll just try to show you how to remove that. Of course, if you want to skip using this, I'm not sure if it will be possible. But let's just check. So here, click on that and delete it. Okay, what about this example, like the black or the gray stuff? Like, okay, I cannot, maybe it's this one, delete it. I'm not sure what I did exactly. But of course, if you did any changes, you'll be able always to like refresh the page to like undo whatever you did in here. Wait, if I delete this, okay, no, I deleted something I shouldn't. I can just go ahead here and hit the Control Z, and yeah, maybe this. Anyway, so I'll just refresh the page, and yeah, it seems like we'll just go and start the free trial, so we can use it. So just click on Start Free Trial. If they ask me for a card, yeah, they're asking me for a card, so I'll just go back. And it seems like I'll just go and create a new account. Why not? So keep going back to semrush.com. And yeah, so basically, of course, I'll just go here. And as I said, I'll click on logouts. I'll click on login again and click on login with Google. And of course, we'll just go here and create an account with another of my Google accounts. Click on continue. And I should be good to go. So I don't know. And I've never performed any. It's only me. I don't know. And no, skip trial. I don't want it. So as we said, go to this last panel, keyword overview, and here you can type the word that you want, as we said before, and you can even choose the country. Like if you want it in the United States, Germany, Spain, or something like that. You can even select like specific location, but for this you will need a better plan. So example here, if we choose recipe, click on search. If we scroll down, of course, they will give you like everything about it, about your recipe. But as you can see in here, we have very hard, this KIPI, or KIDI, which means keyword difficulty. So the hardest keyword to compete for. It will take a lot on page SEO link building and content promotional efforts for you to be able to get a better ranking in SEO. Of course, they'll even show you here how the global volume, where is it? As example, in India, US, Nigeria, etc. Others as well, you'll be able to see it. You'll be able to see like the CPC, which is cost per click. And yeah, of course, you'll be able to see it for other stuff, like maybe let's just go and do fitness. Okay, that's not how you write fitness, so fitness. And yeah, so as you can see, here we have more cost per click, global example in Germany, Turkey, or Turkey, Turkey, of course, United States. Keyword difficulty is again 100%, like very hard. So that's when the magic tool comes. You can simply just go and look for the same word, which is an example. We can just go, I don't know, should we look for again like recipe or something like that? So it's up to you to choose whatever you want. And of course, they will give you basically, so example, because I searched for recipe like recently, they give me right away what I want in here for it. So of course, what they're looking for in here is simply they're looking for something like those keywords, like it's gonna be around it, like kind of the same, but it's not the same. You'll find, as you can see, a lower KD, which is keyword difficulty. So example, for this one, like Alfredo sauce recipe, it is difficult, not very hard. Which is what you'll need to do is you'll need just a lot of ref domains and optimized content to have or to be ranked in like better SEO ranking. Of course, for this one, it's hard. For this one example, difficult. You'll find, of course, very hard. Very hard is going to be like 100% as we showed you before. You can see all the keywords in here again, and you can see like some of them will be like easy. You can find like other than recipe, maybe just go and do something with chicken. For example, you find those keywords. Easy as example, easy recipe or something like that. You'll find this key or KD. This key magic or keyword magic tool, basically, it will give you something similar to your keyword that you entered, but some keywords with less competition. So you can easily, or not easily, but of course it will be 100% easier than the first like word. It will not be 100% like a difficulty, but it will be easier for you to get your stuff or to get a better SEO ranking because it will not be that much difficult like if you use just the normal keyword like recipe. So yeah, that's what's basically the keyword magic tool for. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.